Wolf, and I'm excited to tell you all about the PQ1500 SL sewing machine by Brother. This was my first Brother machine and I still love it. The PQ1500 SL is an amazing machine that belongs in the sewing room of every serious quilter and seamstress. It's a high-speed, straight stitching machine sewing up to 1,500 stitches per minute. Up to 1,500 stitches, that's fast. What comes in the box? You'll find 7 different presser feet, plus all these accessories and tools: feed pin, fabric separator, needles, bobbins, a foot controller, knee lift, and cover. The large workspace is great for big projects, and the heavy-duty construction sets this machine apart from the rest. Adding the included wide table enables you to further expand your work area. You get 7 presser feet with this machine. Included are the zipper foot and invisible zipper foot for zipper insertions, rolled hem foot for rolled hems, general purpose foot for basic straight stitching, and for quilting, the spring action quilting foot, 1/4-inch piecing foot, walking foot, and a seam guide. Not only can this machine stitch fast up to 1,500 stitches per minute, but it has a stitch length of up to 7 millimeters for sewing and basting. Just look at that. What a beautiful stitch. Don't like thready needles? The needle threader saves time and is so easy to use. I like these convenient features. You can set your needle to remain up or down when the machine stops by engaging the automatic needle up-down mechanism. When you're done with the row of stitches, simply touch the automatic thread cutter button and both the top and bobbin threads will be cut. Your threads will also be instantly reset and are ready to go again when you are. Are you using a thicker or thinner thread in your bobbin and need to adjust your tension? Simply turn this dial a little at a time until you've gotten your ideal tension. Conveniently placed and easy to use. The bright, but gentle on the eyes, LED light allows you to see what you're doing, even on dark fabrics. You can set the color-coordinated feed dog adjuster and the presser foot pressure dial, allowing you to sew with ease on all types of fabric, even special ones like velvet. Setting up the Brother exclusive pin feed mechanism on your PQ1500 SL allows you to feed multiple layers of fabric under the presser foot at once with precision. I can reach right in and access the bobbin through the side cover. The PQ1500 SL uses a metal bobbin both for durability and because it holds more thread. You wouldn't want a small bobbin on a machine that moves this fast now, would you? The location of this cover makes care and maintenance around the bobbin case a breeze. Once you have a knee lifter, you'll wonder how you ever got along without it. The removable knee lift enables you to lift your presser foot, leaving both hands free for maneuvering your fabric. You'll get both English and Spanish operation manuals in the box too. These great built-in features on the PQ1500 SL from Brother and the included accessories will have you off and sewing in no time.
Welcome to a world of timeless style with the Laura Ashley limited edition CX 155 LA from Brother. Enjoy sewing and quilting and adding basic personalization to your creations. This model comes with a large table, perfect for home decor and other larger projects. The 100 unique built-in stitches include decorative stitches for adding a custom touch, and 8 styles of one-step buttonholes automatically sized to fit your buttons, plus 55 alphanumeric stitches for basic monogramming. For fine finishing, included are blind stitch and overcasting feet. And for quilters, included are a spring action quilting foot, a walking foot, a 1/4-inch piecing foot, and quilt guide. Quilters also love that this machine allows them to do free motion quilting. In total, there are 10 quick change feet and a quilt guide, a tremendous value. The quick change lever makes it incredibly easy to swap feet. Simply choose your stitches and settings with the push button stitch controls and view View your selections on the backlit LCD display. With the advanced Easy Needle threading system, you can thread the needle with the touch of a lever. The exclusive Brother Quick Set Top-Load Drop-In Bobbin stays in place and helps provide even stitch quality for fine sewing. No need to pull up the thread before use. The clear bobbin cover makes it easy to see when you're low on thread. A horizontal spool pin, typically found only on more expensive machines, helps ensure more consistent feeding and is great for metallic and other specialty threads. You'll also have a super bright LED work area, thread cutters, plus an instructional DVD and easy to follow printed manual. In summary, with this Laura Ashley limited edition model, you'll enjoy creating with 100 built-in stitches, a sewing font for basic monogramming, 8 styles of one-step buttonholes, 10 sewing feet plus a quilt guide, including a walking foot and 1/4-inch piecing foot, a wide table, and more. Plus, brother support you can count on.
Feed dogs are located under the presser foot of the sewing machine. Feed dogs move from front to back in a rotating motion to move the fabric through the machine as you sew. Conveniently located at the back of the machine, the drop feed lever lowers the feed dogs. Disengage the feed dogs when free motion sewing so you can move the fabric manually. Drop feed is a must-have for quilting and fashion sewing.